Hi everyone, I'm Tony Odisho, and today I will be showing you how to cut and blend tape hair extensions. The first step, we want to prep the hair. We're going to apply 3-in-1 liberally all over the hair. Then use the extension brush to brush the hair. The 3-in-1, it has heat protection, UV protection, and a detangler. Since we didn't use conditioner before the hair extension application, this will help with the flyaways. With the white tooth comb, we're going to divide the hair in half. Bring it forward. Confirm with the guest the desired length. Confirm twice. In this case, we would like to bring them at least to here, where the hair is transparent. We're going to go ahead and take the left side, and using a notching technique, and remove the bulk and the length. Take the hair back. In this case, we're going to have a natural V. Either we're going to take the V out or accentuate it. The perimeter, and we have a desired length. We're going to go ahead and do some framing around the face. I always like to start from the side, go about 1 inch behind the ear, comb the hair upward, cross the face, and slice. To the other side, repeat the same thing. After doing the perimeter, using a regular shear, we're going to switch to a texturizing shear to do all the layers, starting from the left side and rotating all the way to the right side. Grab a 2-inch section at 45 degrees, spread the hair, using the first 2 teeth of the texturizing shear, create an angular shape. It is very important that you don't go inside the hair, but to create the shape. This is how you create layers, by going short to long. Most often, hairstylists want to go in and cut this way. All we're doing is we're working on the edge to create the angular and the shape. If you want more layers, retract your finger and add 1 more layer at the top. Remember, the section is in front of me and I'm always behind it. After finishing doing all the vertical layers and getting some layers in, oftentimes the guest wants some more layers. To do the secondary layers, we need to do this. Divide the hair in 4 quadrants. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This technique is only if a guest wants shorter layers on the top and to be closer to their natural hair. I'm going to grab the last row of hair extensions. Bring the hair up to 90 degrees. I will never go as short as her natural hair, but I'll get closer. Up, and using a notching technique with the texturizing shear, get closer and remove some of the length. My first quadrant, take the clip, get it out of the way, get the second quadrant, last row, .90 degrees, find my guideline, her hair, grab, as you see, and now match it, and remove about 1 inch to get it closer to her natural hair. Take my clip, my third quadrant, the last row, and my fourth quadrant. Remove all the clips. And that's how you cut, blend, and layer hair extensions. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned and watch more videos from Tony Odisho Extensions.